Most cookies want to be flat, chewy, and buttery. But this 1946 card is hiding a secret that defies modern baking logic. 4 eggs. 1 cup of shortening. This is the 1940s sour cream chocolate chip cookie. It was born in an era where butter was only a luxury and secret ingredients were a housewife's modern edge. By 1946, butter was 50 cents a pound. Shortening was the patriot's choice, 100% fat, 0 spread, and a shelf life that outlasted the war. But the real magic is the sour cream. Advertised in Life magazine as the pinnacle of modern baking, it reacts with the soda to create a pillowy lift that butter just can't touch. 4 cups of flour. We aren't making a cookie, we're building a structure. The chemistry here is aggressive, a double-stage rise designed for the inconsistent ovens of the 1940s. The card says 380 or 350. It's a ghost of the time when thermostats were new and untrusted. We're choosing the path of precision at 350 for 15 minutes. Let's quickly run through the steps of this recipe. Step 1. Cream fat and sugar. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of shortening and 2 cups of sugar. You can use all white sugar or half white and half brown if you want a little more depth. Cream that together until it's light and fluffy. This step builds the structure. Step 2. Add eggs. Add in 4 eggs, 1 at a time. Mix well after each so the batter stays smooth and fully blended. Step 3. Add sour cream. Now add 1 full cup of sour cream. This is what gives these cookies their tenderness and soft crumb. Mix until fully incorporated. Step 4. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This much baking powder tells you these were meant to rise soft and thick. Step 5. Combine wet and dry. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Mix just until combined. Don't overwork it. Step 6. Fold in chips. Finally, stir in 1 large package of chocolate chips. Fold them in gently so they're evenly distributed. Step 7. Bake. Grease your pans. Drop tablespoons full onto the sheet. Bake at 350 to 380 degrees for about 15 minutes until the edges are lightly golden. Step 8. Out of the oven. After about 15 minutes, the edges should be lightly golden, but the tops will stay pale. They'll be thick and slightly domed, soft in the center. These rise upward more than they spread. Let them rest a few minutes on the pan to finish setting. Soft, tender, dependable. Now look at these. These have a place in today's kitchen, much different than your everyday cookies made today. These were delicious then, and they are so today. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please help keep these recipes alive. Share them, like them, and subscribe and help us grow. Until next time, thank you and be blessed.